Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to divide any number by 9. So there are different methods are there. Now it depends on the number itself. How many numbers of digits are there in the particular number. Like assume we have a number like 53. For this case, it's very simple. You just write the number 53 and make a slash between these two digits. Now, you just add 5 and 3. So here it is 8. So that will be our remainder. And the quotient will be the left hand side number 5. Okay? So it's very simple. Any number. If I take maybe 23, on that case, you just put one slash there in the number 23. Then my remainder will be 2 plus 3 equal to 5, and the quotient will be 2. Okay. Now there is another case. If my number is 28. Now, if I want to divide this by 9, so what we'll do? I'll write 2 and 8 and then make a slash between these two digits. Now, what will be my R? My R will be equal to 2 plus 8. But now we'll find that this will come 11. Okay. Now, once the number is equal to 9 or more than 9, that case we simply minus 9 from that number. Okay. Now it will be how much? 2. So my final value of R is 2. So my remainder will be 2. Now what about the quotient? So earlier in this left hand side 2 was there. So 2 will be there, and plus which minus only 1 9. Okay. So 1 will be added here. So the Q will be here 3. Again we just understand with different example. Like if we want to divide 37 by 9. In this case, so what we have to write? If you just follow the formula 3 and 7 and make a slash in between. Okay. Now what will my R, that means remainder, will be 3 plus 7, and that's equal to how much? 10. So once you see 10, that means this 10 is more than 9. So we have to subtract 9 from this number. So once you subtract 9 from this number, what will be the remaining? It will be R. Sorry, it will be 1. So my R will be equal to 1. Now what about the Q? Q will be, what was in my left hand side? 3. And then how many number of 9s we subtracted from there? 1 number of 9. So we just add 1 there. So the final result will be 4. Okay. Sorry. So my final result will be 4. Okay. Now there's another case. Just think, if we want to divide 54 by 9. Now in this case, what we'll find? Now what will my R? R will be this plus this. So it will be full 9. So once we get 9, what we have to do? We have to minus 9 from that 9, and the result will be 0. So my R will be equal to 0. There will be no remainder because 54 is completely divisible by 9. Now what will my q? Q will be, I'll take what was in my left hand side, that 5, and then I subtracted 1 9 from this number, so I'll just add 1, so it will be 6, and 6 9s are 49, so we get the result. Okay, now what about, this is for 2-digit number, what about 3 or higher digit number? Let's try about 3-digit number. Like we have a number 2 3 maybe 7, okay, and we have to divide this by 9. Now in this case, what was my formula for this remainder r? It was, I have to add all these digits, that means 2 plus 3 plus 7, so it will come 12. Now once we find that the number is more than 9, we are going to multiply this. We are going to subtract 9 from that number until unless we get any number which is less than 9. Okay. Now once we subtract 9 from 12, we will get 3. So my remainder will be 3 for sure. Okay. Now what about my question? Now for this, the formula is that we need to write 2 3 7, and we must make a slash like this, okay, because we are going to separate what is my rightmost digit. Now we just take 23 and add 2 with this number, and while we are getting this 2, the first digit what was with me, we just put it here and just add them up, and it will be 2 and 5, so we'll get 25. So my quotient will be 25. Let's understand this with another example. Like I have a number at 8 9 7, it's a very large number, and we have to divide by 9. This case, first we have to going to find that what is my remainder, so it will be 8 plus 9 plus 7, and that will be equal to how much? It will be total 24, right? Then we are going to subtract 9 from this number, so what will be the result? It will come 15, and still the number is more than 9, so again we are going to subtract the number from subtract 9 from this number, and then we are going to get 6. So just remember how many times we have subtracted 9. This is 1, this is 2. So 2 times or twice we have subtracted 9 from the remainder. Okay, now my final remainder will be 6 for sure. So now we are comfortable with this, 6 for sure. And now we have to find out what is my quotient. Okay, so first write that full number here. It is 897, and I'll put slash there to just isolate my rightmost digit. Now we have 89. Now from 89 we have to find out what is my quotient. Now we just write 89, and then again we plus the first digit with this number. Okay, so this is 8. So when just add up, total number will become 79. Okay, now what is my quotient Q? We write 7 9, and also have to add up this 2, because we have already deducted 9 twice from the number 24, which was been calculated by adding all the digits of that particular number. Okay, so 2, so write 2 there, and then the result will be 99. So if we just divide this number with 9, my quotient will be 99 and my remainder will be 6. Okay, now try with a 4-digit number. So what to do? We just take any random number, right? sorry. So divide by 9, and then again you have to find the remainder. 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7, so it will come 18. Okay, so again you have to subtract 9 from this one once, and then remainder will be 9, again 9, so r will be 0, and we have subtracted 9 twice, so you have to remember there is a digit 2 is there, which we are going to add up with the quotient when you just calculate. Now my number is 2 4 5 7. Okay, we'll just isolate my rightmost digit, so I'll be remaining with 2 4 5, and then I'll skip this 5 and add 24 with this number. Okay, again I'll skip this 4 and add this 2 again with this number. Hope you guys understood what we are doing. We're just leaving our rightmost digit, and what is left with this we're just adding up with the number itself. Again we are leaving this rightmost digit where it is 4 here and adding up what is left with the same digit. Now we're going to add up all the numbers. Okay, so what will be there? 9 plus 2 will be 11, then 6 7, then 2. Okay, so my Q will be 271, and remember that we have subtracted 9 twice, so this 2 will be here, and the final result will be 273. Okay, and my remainder will be 0 if we just divide 2457 by 9. So hope you guys understood the method. Thank you.